check it out. You're standing, triple S is intact. Make sure that we keep this inside of like 2-ish minutes. Look over the left shoulder, back to the center. Look over the right shoulder, back to the center. Over the left. Good. And to the right. One more time like that. Left. And to the right. Stop in the center. Right ear is going to go to the right shoulder. Come up. Left ear to the left shoulder. So we're really trying to focus on dropping the ear right to the shoulder. One more time. Good. Last time right here. Yeah, this is our one more time. Good. And then left ear to the left shoulder. Okay, all I want you to do is some shoulder rolls. And then we're going to hit the floor. So these shoulder rolls are really delightful. This is what we're going to do. You're going to back up your entire bus to the wall. You can be on your mat or not. I'm not today. And your bottom knee is going to be on the floor and your top leg is going to be the heel on the wall. And you're just going to lift and lower. Lift and lower. Good. You want to try to make sure your sacrum, your skull, and your scapula are on the floor. Good. You got 4 more. Keep pulling the belly in. 2. Whoo, can you feel that? Yeah, there you go. That is getting those lateral hips. You can come up and over to the other side. And there's 10 of them. So once you get in there, you make sure you do your 10. And I'm going to you'll notice the difference on each side. This side is actually easier for me because the right hip, is stronger. Oops. Keep that heel sliding on the wall. Good. 6 more. Keep the heel sliding on the wall. Good. You can hear my heel. I need a little pedicure board under there. 2 more. Good. And that is it. That is your mobility for the day. 2 minutes, hot and perfect. All right. So you should feel that here. Yes. Beautiful work, my friends. Neck is mobilized, hips mobilized. Namaste.